welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I do want to remind you guys we have our Luxury Divas giveaway going on if you would like to win a free month. You do not have to be a subscriber to Luxury Divas, or you can be, it doesn't matter. Either way, you can win a free month. I will put a link to that giveaway video down below, so head over and check that out. As you can see, today we have a new box, and it is Jen's Happy Mail. I will make sure to put a link and all the information about this down below for you guys. So let's get in here, see what this is about. I know it's like self-care and things like that, and I think it is awesome. Thank you so much to Jen for sending this to me for review. I do appreciate it. So let's get in the box and see. Now, it was in an outer box, and I took it out of that so we could just get to opening. So I haven't peeked at anything in here. So let's see what self-care items she sent. I believe a book may be included. And what was really awesome was she actually asked me, things that I was into, what I preferred as far as, I think, my favorite colors, all kinds of stuff. So she tailors this to you, which is great. So when we open it, there is a card. So we will peek at that in just a second. But this is what we see. So we see squigglies and goodies. All right. It says, "May you be happy always." That is so cute. Oh, it says, "Nicki, welcome to Jen's Happy Mail. You are an amazing rock star mom who deserves a little break. We packed this one just for you to relax, revive, and grow. Stay well and enjoy. Much love, Jen." So that is awesome. And she put her card in here. So Jen's Happy Mail. And there's a coupon code for $10 off your first box, and that is first time. So I will put that down below for you as well with the link. So let's get in here and see what all is in the box. So this first item, it says, "Beautiful boundaries. Live your life without boundaries." And this is gorgeous. I'm assuming this is like a headband, but it is so pretty. The colors in this are gorgeous. So it's like one you can put on and kind of pull your hair back, which is great for summertime or putting on your makeup. And I love it's silky and very light and very stretchy. So this is awesome. I really like this. So yay. And then here we have from the Balm Shop, All Over Body Balm. It is shea butter and coconut and aloe conditioning moisturizer for dry skin. It says it's a lavender scent. So there is that. We can always use moisturization. And then, this is kind of like the same thing, but like maybe like a to-go version. It's an all over body balm from the Balm Shop, Balm Shop and Co. With shea butter, coconut, aloe, conditioning moisturizer for dry skin. And this is an almond scent. I like how this one is like the perfect size for your purse if you just kind of want to put some on and go. Let's see. I'm going to open this and smell it. Because this one says lavender and this one says almond. Yeah, it is. It's like a stick you can roll up. That smells good. It does smell really good. And it It's not greasy. That is amazing. Usually you think of body balms, body butters being greasy. That is not. That went right into my skin. My skin is so soft, but not greasy at all. So awesome. Move some of these squigglies. Oh, it's a little bracelet. Is it like a... It's like a pink bead bracelet. It's stretchy and it says best mom. Oh, that is so cute. Best mom. Yay. Oh, I'm excited about this. Okay, so I told her I loved coffee. So this is from Door Country Coffee and Tea Company. Makes the perfect pot of gourmet coffee. Caramel latte. Coffee infused with the flavors of caramel and white chocolate. Yes. It says drink coffee, be happy. I know that's right. This package brews the perfect 8 to 12 cup pot of gourmet coffee based on your taste preference. This is a loose, or not loose, but this is a ground coffee. So awesome. I'm excited about that. The caramel, that sounds yummy. All right. And then we have, this is really pretty. Bath bomb from Well-Being. Intentional Life. Made with love. MagicFairyCandles.com. This is like the neatest packaging on a bath bomb I have ever seen. And I am wondering if that right there is actually like a crystal that you will get from the bath bomb and you can keep. That is awesome. I can't really smell anything, but it's in this and then wrapped in plastic. That is so neat. I think that's really neat. And it's really pretty. And I'm gonna be really excited if this is like a crystal that you get to keep. That would be awesome. So that is cool. All right. And then it looks like we actually have maybe 2 books in here. So this first one is #GirlBoss from Sophia Amoruso. It says New York Times bestseller. Right here. It says Sophia Amoruso spent her teens hitchhiking, committing petty theft, and scrounging in dumpsters for leftover bagels. By age 22, she had dropped out of school and was broke, directionless, and checking IDs in the lobby of an art school, a job she had taken for health insurance. It was in that lobby that Sophia decided to start selling vintage clothes on eBay. Flash forward to today, and she's the founder of Nasty Girl and the founder and CEO of GirlBoss. Sophia was never a typical CEO or a typical anything, and she's written #GirlBoss for other girls like her, outsiders and insiders seeking a unique path to success, even when that path is windy as all hell and lined with naysayers. Also, that's probably very interesting. I will be happy to read this. What is... Okay, so it's just different chapters. All right, so that's awesome. So we got a book to read. And then... Oh, sorry. Then we got Let Your Inner Truth Out. Knock, knock. Inner Truth Journal. Over 76 candid quotes. I need some serious me time. A journal to express my secret desire to be left alone for at least a little while every so often and to encourage me to step away from the madness that is my life and claim some quality alone time with me, myself, and my thoughts, or wondrous lack thereof, in order to enjoy a bit of much needed peace and quiet, to think up brilliant ideas, or to just watch the birds outside my window. Since I've earned that downtime, it's vital to our health and happiness and keeps us from going totally bananas and telling our bosses where to stick it, or giving other drivers the bird, or hiding under the bed and refusing to come out when family members stop by. Because if I keep going and going without giving myself the gift of a solo breather, I promise you it ain't gonna be pretty. So there is that. So is it? It is. It's a journal. Awesome. And then, okay, so, and then you can put like the date and why I needed me time today. And then it has the quotes. At the end of the day, I play ostrich. I take a glass of beer or wine or a pill and go to sleep to have energy the next day. Life moves pretty fast. If you stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. In order to understand the world, one has to turn away from it on occasion. This is a quote from Amy Schumer. Recharge for as long as you need. Lean up against a tree and take a break from the other bears. Oh, and then, okay, so also down here at the bottom, this is neat. It says, what I'd rather be doing all by myself and totally alone. And then it has where you could check sleep, yoga, there's like a martini glass, and then like some palm trees. So right down here. So that is awesome. I need some serious me time journal. I like that. So we got the journal, we got the Girl Boss book, and the Best Mom bracelet, the All Over Body Balm stick, and then the All Over Body Balm here. This really intriguing bath bomb that I am seriously like wondering about. It's like so unique looking, and I'm really thinking that is a crystal you can keep, which is awesome. And then we got this ground caramel latte coffee, which I will be making in the morning. And this cute headband. So I really liked this. I thought this was super cute, super fun. Like I said, she did ask me questions, and I feel that, you know, obviously I told her I was a mom, that I loved coffee, that I loved, you know, baths and things like this. And then that journal, to me, that is awesome. So I really liked it. Like I said, I will put the link and everything down below for you guys. Let me know your thoughts and head over and check out Jen's Happy Mail. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you at the next one. Bye.